Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you lithium battery water pumper. This high efficient performance water transfer pump is equipped with a high speed motor with a flow rate of up to 35 liters per minute and a maximum delivery height of up to 10 meters. It is the ideal for quickly dumping water from the deep water areas or flooded areas too. And it's wireless. It comes not with a Wi-Fi network. No, it does not need a power supply by a wired connection. It works with a battery. And with a battery which is on the most construction sites in the world around us possible to use. The Makita 80-volt batteries. This handed portable pump weighs only 1.8 kilograms, so you can easily do a drainage task at the edge of the pool, in the garden, or anywhere else, regardless of the cable constraints. With a high battery performance, you can make this a lot of time. Because it's compatible with the Makita 80-volt battery, so you can make an optimal use of our X system batteries for extended service, garden and pool tasks. And 3/4 inch outlet and a filter. The 3/4 inch outlet can be easily connected to a standard garden hose to cover all pump needs. The pumping drops deep. It drains to the last drop out of there. The rod-shaped transfer pump empties up to only 1.6 centimeter. So that almost no standing water remains. It also filters out the particles larger than 3 millimeter in diameter. With an integrated dry running and overload protection, it is more durable and robust and reliable too. And incomparably versatile for all water transfer requirements. The ultimate wireless pump for any situation is there. In addition to the emptied rain barrel, a flooded cellar, or a boat floors, that masters a daily task effortlessly. Quick dewatering of the child runs pools after playing. Get fresh water changed during the aquarium. Care or emptying of water beds for whirlpools. It is also either for car care. It removes water from flooded food wells and outdoor use. We get water from lakes for campers. That's cool, eh? Or empty kayaks. From garden watering to emergency flood control. This is our all-in-one portable water management tool for us, for everyone out there. And it makes an easy operation. And it makes an easy job as well. Because the only thing is, you will need water. Okay? You attach this as shown in that video. Then, of course, you dip the pump into the water liquid area. Then you pull the trigger. You can lock the trigger if it is needed. And then connect the hose. Then, of course, start pumping. Because the battery and the motor in combination makes a good pumping job, and you can use it as a pump in nearly every situation here. This all and more brings us this connectable 18-volt battery pump for lakes, for waters, for everything you will need to pump, if it is water or liquid. That's cool, that's easy, that's the new fun here. Because it does not need a power supply by a cable connection, this is really wireless. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Turn soon. Yeah.